Hello guys, welcome to Sigma Tech. Today we have a Lenovo laptop for repair, and this laptop is from one of my known person. I'll show you the laptop. We have kept it open. This is the laptop. Model number is Lenovo IdeaPad 330. Okay. The problem is the laptop is not turning on. Okay. As you know, these laptops having the button in keyboard, the power button is in the keyboard. So most of the time we find that the problem comes on the keyboard itself, because the power button become faulty. But this time the problem is not inside the power button, okay, neither in the keyboard. That means not in the keyboard. So here I will demonstrate you where is the problem and what can be done. Let's see how we repair it. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to check it out what ampere we are getting on the DC jack, on the DC. Here we have kept the DC on 19 volts. Okay. As soon as we plug the power cable from the DC jack, see what happens. It is taking 0.06 ampere. That means it's abnormal reading, and something is hitting inside the board. So we will turn it down. So in this case, without removing the board itself, we can detect it where could be the problem. It's probably 7th generation board. So here we will connect it, and the DC is taking more ampere. We just have to check it out if there is something heating inside the board. Okay, here it is heating. Here we have two coils. uh, One is PL402 and one is PL401, and this IC is heating. Probably it's a 3.3 coil IC. As you know, in the latest generation we do not get one IC for MOSFETs, but two ICs for a different coils. And this is our step down circuit, 5 volt and 3.3 volt. Okay, so in this case what simply we can do is we just have to remove this IC and we have to replace it, and after that we will have to check it whether the problem is getting solved or not. If suppose after removing this IC the problem doesn't get solved, that means either the IO controller is faulty or something inside, something on the same lane is faulty. So let's open the board and change the IC. I think I have a this IC in a stock. Yes, that's well. I forgot to show you that I was supposed to check the shorting on this coil, since this IC was heating. Now we can check it out. It is on the buzzer mode. The short is still coming. That means the IC was okay. There is a problem with something else, and the suspicion is the IO controller. This could be the suspect. Okay, now we can see the problem here. It's a water damage, and we can see it easily. Since we did not open the board, we couldn't see it properly, and it is hectic damage. You can see it clearly. How is the damage? Now we are going to clean this and check it out whether this part is the problem, this part is having the problem, or the controller itself is faulty. So guys, here is the components which we have just now cleaned it, and you can see it's a switch U13. If you check it out on the schematic here, it's a switch. It was damaged on the water. Now we will check it out across and see what is the faulty component, whether it's a switch itself or the controller. Yes, it is heating and it's showing 0 ampere. As you can say, 0.8, and the other one is 2.2. So it could be either the switch or it could be the controller. So what we will do is we will remove these capacitors and we will inject voltage below 3.3 and see what is heating, or else we will inject the voltage here itself on this coil and then we will check it out where is the problem. So better option is injecting the coil here, voltage here. Okay, so let's do that. So guys, we have already inserted the voltage and we have kept the DC at 1 volt, and at 1 volt it is taking 1.19 ampere. So we will trace it out where what is heating. At this much voltage nothing is heating, or the heating is very light, so we are not able to trace it out. Now we will increase the voltage. So we are just increasing the voltage to 1.5 volt, and let's see if something is hitting. The wire has came out. Now let me solder it properly. Still we are not able to trace it out, so we will increase the voltage little more. One इधर हाँ प्लीज करो करो हाँ बस. Okay guys, after increasing the voltage up to 2 volts, we find that these caps are heating. Now let's remove these caps and check it out further. So one side there may be ground and the other side there is no beep. So we will turn it out, we will turn it down and we will check on the coil once again. So as you can see guys, there is no beep, and if you check it out multimeter and if we keep it on diode mode, we can see the value. So after placing this, we'll come to know what is the problem or whether the problem is solved or not. So guys, we have placed the IC and now we will check whether the problem has been solved or not. First we'll check whether the shorting has gone or not. Let's clean it up and then we will check. So there is no beep guys, that means the shorting has gone. Okay, the 3 volt line shorting has gone and we can test it with the voltage now. We don't have to put these two caps, we can check it like that only. Let's see. But there is this switch, we need to apply some solder over here because there is a moisture on the, it has been corrosion. So we will apply flux and resolder it. This might be damaged. Anyway, after applying only will come to know. Let's see. So guys, I think it will not turn on because the switch has been completely rusted. So guys, as you can see, we have cleaned this place and we have applied one track. There was a track cut below this due to complete rusting. Now we have made a track of the signal of that signal lane. Now it is completely soldered. Now check it out if there is anything left out. These capacitor we can place it, or if we don't place then also this will do its job. Now let's put the power cable and check it out if anything is happening. Yes guys, so the board is on. As soon as we plug the charger, the board is on and the processor also is heating. Since there is a RAM in the board itself, the display might have come. So let's put it back and check it out. So guys, we have placed the board now, and now let's put the charger, the DC jack, and you can see the light is on and the board also is on. Yeah, you can see the display has come. This is second time it is turning on, as you can see. So guys, display has come, our job has been done. So guys, as you saw how we repaired this laptop, this is how we do service at our service center. If you need any service or training, you can contact on the given number or the given details on our website, which is I have pinned on the channel itself. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.